Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to fix that. This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. Error in Photoshop 2024. Don't worry, we'll help you resolve it quickly. Let's jump right into it. Open Windows Security app. You can easily open from within the notification area. Look for Firewall and Network Protection. Click on it. On the Firewall and Network Protection page, scroll down until you see Advanced Settings. Click on it. To open the Advanced Firewall settings, click Inbound Rules in the left sidebar, then click New Rule. Select Program and click Next. Go to Photoshop. Right-click on Photoshop icon and select Open File Location. Right-click on Photoshop Shortcut. Right-click on Photoshop Exe file and select Copy as Path. Now return to Firewall. Right-click and paste the program path, and then remove the double quotes. Click Next. Choose Block the Connection and click Next. Give your rule a name, something you can remember, and click Finish. Click on Outbound Rules in the left, then click New Rule. Select Program again and click Next. Paste the program path and remove double quotes, just like we did before. Click Next. Block the connection again and click Next. Name your rule and click Finish.